So among these we have to write relations, 1 and 2 relation, 2 and 3 relation, or 1 and 3. So this is tartaric acid formula. So 1 and 2 is the mirror images each other. So you may can say that is enantiomers. By looking you can see very simple. This is mirror images. So mirror images means that's mirror images non-superimposable means enantiomer. That is the basic definition of enantiomerism. Mirror images non-superimposable. So 1 and 2 is the mirror images but non-superimposable. When we are keeping this molecule as it is on this one, here H is there and OH is there. They won't be match each other. That's why that is non-superimposable. This is enantiomers. So therefore enantiomers. And 2 and 3 is the non-mirror images non-superimposable. Non-mirror images non-superimposable means diastereomers. And 1 and 3 also same thing, non-mirror images non-superimposable. 1 and 3 also you can compare. This is the one structure and 3 you can compare. These two are non-superimposable non-mirror images, so these are also diastereomers. Here they given directly straight forward. By looking structures you can see that word diastereomers, but in examination they will give by changes. So instead of this OH, instead of this OH they will keep here COOH and they can exchange each other. OH here they kept COOH, then OH is going to be in COH position. Like that they can do random number of exchanges. In that situations also how to do these questions. Very simple, just we are writing RS nomenclature. Based on that we can decide. Just RS nomenclature. So I think so already you know this one. First carbon is OH is the first priority and COH is the second priority, and this is the third priority which is a below carbon. Then this is going anti-clockwise but least priority present at horizontal. That's why I need to reverse my RS nomenclature. If this is coming anti-clockwise, that should be R. Then same thing here I am applying 1, this is 2, this is 3, but again least priority present at horizontal. So that's why if this is going 1 2 3 again clockwise, sir, anti-clockwise. So anti-clockwise means that should be yes sir, R sir.
Sir.
We have to reverse that one. Okay, R. So anyway, this is mirror image of second one. I can write directly here S. Exactly mirror image only, no? So this should be yes, this should be yes. You can get it. And you may can check it here. This is we'll get I think so R 1 2 3. So this is the direction. So this is anti-clockwise and least priority present at this anti-clockwise but least priority present at horizontal. That's why this become R only, no? R. What about below one? Exactly opposite. Meso compound means opposite to each other. 1 2 3. This is 1 2 3 clockwise but least priority present at horizontal. So that's why this become S. So now we can see, sir, RR SS RS. We got it. Now I am going to be give conclusion, final conclusion. Suppose this is RR, sir, that become either RS. Okay, I am writing, sir. This is, you can check it. Even SR doesn't matter. This is SS. These are the 4 I given. What is the relation between these 4 I am going to be explain. with respect to RS nomenclature, sir. Array RR become RS means that is dash tumors or enantiomers? Dash tumors. Now only seen that one. You can see here relationship between 1 and 3 dash tumors only, 1 and 3 relationship. You can check 1 and 3 non-mirror images, non-superimposable. What we say that is dash tumors, sir. 1 and 3 dash tumors only given. Now I am giving with respect to RS nomenclature. This is dash tumor, sir. Even you don't know all the things, just follow RS nomenclature, you can give answer. And this is also dash tumor, sir. And this is become enantiomers, exactly mirror images. R mirror image should be S, S mirror image should be R. That is enantiomers. You can write, sir, enantiomers. Then SS become RR. This again dash tumor is. And R become S and S become R. Mirror images each other. So this is enantiomers. So this is the simple cycle you can remember. So when R become S, that is enantiomer. So if follow this one, you can get most of the questions very easily. Most of the questions. So keep in mind, mirror images should be enantiomers. Suppose R and R, two configurations we are getting. If that become SS means this is enantiomers. Mirror image should be always opposite, sir. Always opposite. Those are enantiomers. Otherwise, R, S, if you are writing mirror images, S, R. Opposite. Even these are also enantiomers. So first we have to learn how to write RS nomenclature. If you learn that one, even let them give any advanced question also, we can do very easily by RS nomenclature.